Get ready.
What's up, guys? It's Angel here. I just spotted this 1998 5th Gen Honda Prelude. This shit is clean, bro. I know the driver definitely pulls bitches with that. Rice are nice. Today we are at the biggest meet in the world, aka Street Fuel. Nah, they posted a meet on TikTok. They said they claim to be the biggest meet. So we're gonna see what's up with it. I mean, we've been to plenty meets before, but
we're the experts testing them.
Yeah, we know
see
what's
if it's
up.
Actually, the biggest meet.
We're gonna get a bunch of Edgars and fucking Infinities. Or
Hey guys,
what's up?
me is Bunk, so we're blaming Angel, alright? So I gotta say.
Yeah, this is my idea to come.
Look at Eric, bro. He's scared to talk already.
It's really hard for me to respect all belts out here, dude.
It's getting really hard. It's getting really hard.
Just pushing it. I'm a very respectful guy, but
Hey, I sure think you're coming to me with the fucking handicap sticker.
hey, don't
This
be fooled.
fucking guy,
That's Hellcat swap. Everything's Hellcat swap.
Handicap swap.
All fucking you need to cancel.
Hey, this thing got
Cancel
bad.
Nick. Cancel Nick.
No, never that.
Cancel him. He's racist against handicapped people. What happened?
Who's all the people?
What people?
We're here for In and Out. We're doing a fundraiser for the teenagers.
For the kids. Feed the youth. Check your tits. Yeah, it's getting real hard for me to respect all belts out here, boys. Real hard.
It's getting very hard to respect.
I respect all belts.
Fucked up, bro.
Who backs the normal Honda? Ooh.
So now?
The pigs are here. I smell bacon.
Turkey bacon or pork?
Someone get him a donut. It's a fundraiser for the
Fundraiser
youth.
for In and Out.
Yeah.
Elementary school.
It's a fundraiser.
And to get your fucking Raiders hat out of the way. No offense to the Raiders. My bad.
Talking about the Giants.
That's gonna get you some kill, bro.
Raiders did not make the playoffs. The Giants at least made it in the playoffs.
Okay. We're starting a debate here.
What's the name of the quarterback for the New York Giants?
Eli
You
Manning.
gotta talk about it.
Eli Manning.
Doesn't even know the quarterback's name. Those out here.
Eric, what's your take on all the cars you've seen so far?
No cap. Be respectful.
No cap. I don't even know what's the fuck. I don't even know the fuck I'm at.
Find out you're on Pluto.
I'm on Pluto fucking Cino. Do Uzi Vert.
We're on Pluto right now.
Right, Pebble. That's right, Pebble.
Hey, this
My Honda could do that.
Let's keep walking or what?
Hey, if In-N-Out sponsored you, but you had to put the In-N-Out sticker on your car, what'd you do?
Yeah.
my gas cap? Put a big In and Out sticker. Not a little little sticker, dude.
Yeah, I'd slap a little sticker on there.
No,
A big, like a
sticker.
banner?
Like a
Like a
big
whole
one.
banner.
Yeah, In
Like
and
a window banner.
Out. In and Out approved.
Fuck yeah, I get sponsored by In-N-Out. That's looking dope. A white on white car with the In-N-Out banner. That shit would go hard.
That's debatable.
Get some French fries poking out the windows. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, but it has In and Out's number. It has a number.
If they're giving me free In-N-Out, then yeah, I'm down.
You get the little Pizza Hut thing with the In-N-Out
They
number.
actually look you hard.
Nick, when are you gonna get your Z, bro? You gotta get a Z already.
When the money's right. Money's never right. We sound some stupid shit.
Doing shit
We're
though.
gonna start a new series.
Oh yeah?
So the
What are we
new-
starting?
It's gonna be called Rate That Build. So we're gonna stand in the corner and every car, we're each gonna rate it and see what build is the nicest.
What do you rate this car coming up on us right now?
9 out of 10.
Let's set the basis.
This is 9 out of
What
10.
is this? That's a 9? I don't
Big
think so,
turbo.
bro. Look at that body type.
Rev it.
Dog.
See, the dent and the scratches give it like 5+ horsepower.
Oh, of course.
That's weight reduction. It
course.
weighs less now because, it's dented.
What about that RSX? Stock RSX. What do you like?
2 out of 10. Need some
Not
stickers.
ugly.
And some anime stickers.
I'll be nice. 6 out of 10.
It needs anime stickers. So make it an 8.
Check out this S2K. What do you guys rate this S2K?
That's 2K. Yeah, that's definitely S2K. What do you rate it?
Nah, I feel like the car community, they're gonna be on my ass.
Yeah, they will. He's joking, guys. He's joking. He knows it's a BRZ.
I respect all
Eric's
those.
sad, guys.
BRZ. I mean,
Eric wants to be at the beach watching Nemo right now. I feel bad.
you okay over there?
Fucking tired.
Xavier Wolf. He's at the meet too. You guys are missing it? Oh, hell yeah.
Bump it.
He started smiling. He got poked. I'm kind of sad that I'm not seeing a lot more of the muscle car community. It's kind of hurting my feelings.
He has a Challenger scat, by the way, just so you know.
It's an S60.
That's priorities right there. From all the Long Beach.
Yes, sir.
I drive 40
Yes,
minutes
sir.
to Long Beach on spares. You're a true car guy. Quote from Angel.
Priorities.
It starts early, so I can't rate it.
Yeah, it's 30 minutes into the meet.
30 minutes, still got till.
Honestly, we never been to meet this early, huh?
No, we always come right now.
We were afraid of it getting shut down because it's the biggest meet.
You were the one that was scared.
Precious
see all the
shit,
cops?
precious
That's
shit.
really cops.
Precious shit, Eric. That's right.
Cops are here right now, but they're pretty chill.
Precious shit.
Watch.
Good.
He's trying to press me and then he's gonna dab me up.
Yeah, because we straight like that, you know? Real homies never fight like that. Hey, what the fuck? Homie sus over there. No.
They find out you're an OnlyFans guy.
Why? It's free on the hub, you know?
Let's not start bringing up the past. Wong.
Damn. Scared the shit out of this guy. That shit's loud.
Park and chill.
Damn.
Park and chill.
And low key, but this is one of the calmest meets we've been to.
I know, no one's revved it at all. That's
I
crazy.
mean, this is definition of park and chill, literally.
Yeah.
Usually, when you go to other meets, you got your Edgar.
Hey, that's like us in the looter.
That's like us on the loop. You already know.
That's how we look like when we're in my car.
The homies be just chilling.
Shit's stacked up.
Imagine stacking out
That's
Miata.
how we look. That's
Dick,
how we
Miata's a 2-seater, dick.
Oh, that's
You
what
cannot
I'm
fit 4
stacking
people
for?
in there. You cannot fit 4 people in that MX-5. There's no way.
You guys don't understand. You guys not fucking with guys with that. It's all black, man. It's just
That shit's blacked out.
And it's bumpy music with the tinted windows. Please, don't try.
They just circle they don't even park. They circle the parking lot like 3 times. Playing the same song too. Make sure.
Making themselves intimidated, bro.
There it goes. And it begins.
Party. Now the party starts.
That's a cop's
Where's the pizza? Hey, it's okay, bro. Say hi to the camera. Virginity rocks. That's how you know you're a true Virgin. Virginity rocks. Music at the heart. Oh my mom. You just got tired, bro. No Pookie, and he's still spooky.
Hey, I'll give you a response to that. That shit was good.
That's what I'm
Look,
saying,
I ain't
bro.
gonna lie.
Adrian needs to come on Pluto. Get the guys. Song. The fuck up.
Oh, shit.
Here, dude, get some ice water.
I mean, it's a...
Don't fuck around, bitch.
What?
Get some and that's it. Don't throw it. I actually want this thing.
Ciao.
Ciao. Look at that.
I'm talking to you, dumbass.
Here's what the new Fast and Furious.
I haven't seen it though.
You haven't seen it?
I haven't seen it.
It's
It's
alright.
unrealistic again. Homie pulls down 2 droppers in the car.
Really? The new trailer? The first time?
It's out. Everyone's been talking
Yeah,
about
they-
it.
I haven't watched the new trailer.
Oh,
I
they
watched
just dropped it yesterday.
the actor that plays Han, he posted it.
And then the bad guys, the guy from wrestling,
I've seen
WWE.
Oh yeah, Jason Momoa is the bad
Jason
guy.
Momoa, he's the bad guy.
Look, that's Mermaid Man.
Yes.
Yeah, Mermaid. Mermaid Man, yeah.
No, Aquaman.
It's another red flag, Lars.
What?
Bandana in the car.
Oh yeah?
Literally,
What the
red
hell?
flag. See, look, what I tell you about the blacked out cars, tinted windows, they don't park. They just drive around.
Just drive around.
They want you to hear that new mic chirp.
Oh my God. I'm telling you, they don't park. They don't park.
Don't park.
Fundraiser.
I hang out right here, look for work.
Oh yeah?
And I've seen these festivals going on, you know. Show up, man.
Yeah, it's like a fundraiser right now for a teenager. I guess he got hit by a car, so they're doing a car meet. Like, what a coincidence. I'm like,
They had this thing going on. They had several donut places. They were cooking donuts over here. Dudes hanging out a window of a Challenger or Charger. There's like a, you know, like pole and a flag on it. He had to display the flag. And the car goes like this. I don't know who held him.
was it American?
Somebody
flag?
must have been holding him. They were spinning like this. Inertia gonna throw him out. All of a sudden you have red and blue lights through the fog. Yeah, man, rolling in. Everybody disperses. I said, man, I gotta get out of there too. You know, behind the chairs, you know, sitting right there in the plastic chairs. I don't want to get about it, you know.
We're gonna go, alright? We're gonna walk around. We'll come back.
You're gonna go? All right, guys.
Nice meeting you, man.
We have a lot of fast cars, and then some smaller cars, and then some cute cars. But then we just have big ass tanks. Those don't work. This is not about cars. Oh shit, I think we're recording. Watch out. Yo, it's your boy Nick here from Lane TV. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know you guys laughed at one part. Don't lie. Drop a like if you laughed at one part. But other than that, drop your comments down below. We take feedback very seriously. We try to make every video perfection, even though no one's perfect. But other than that, I'll catch you guys every Wednesday. We're dropping bangers, new adventures. You guys can come along with us. And follow our socials down below. And some of you guys aren't following our Instagram. There's a problem, perros. We're going to find you guys, alright? Now I'm playing. But other than that, I'll catch you guys next Wednesday. Get your family, get the beastles, and sit down and relax, alright? Lane TV out. And don't worry, the boys aren't here right now. We're busy people. We're normal people too. I'll catch you guys later, alright? Lane TV out.